What's the meaning of accordingly? Accordingly. 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 Accordingly is an adverb that means in accordance with what has been said or done before. It is used to indicate that something is done or said in a way that is appropriate or suitable for the situation or circumstance at hand. For example, if you receive instructions from your boss and you follow them correctly, you could say, "I have completed the task accordingly." This means that you have followed the instructions and completed the task as directed. Accordingly can also be used to introduce a consequence or result. For instance, the weather forecast predicts heavy rain tonight. Accordingly, we should take umbrellas with us. In this case, accordingly is used to indicate that taking umbrellas is a sensible decision based on the information provided by the weather forecast.